sir. AZ Turn and Burn Hobby Shop in Surprise. Check it out. Hooked your boy up with the NASCAR Groms. Walked away with 3 of them bad boys. This was the last one of the Bass NASCAR. Now it's time to get home. See what I'm working with. Let's get it. YouTube, what's poppin'? It's your boy Mr. Mitos, back with another pickup. So check this out. I'm actually here at my buddies Brandon and Nada's crib, and I had to come way across town to the hobby shop AZ Turn and Burn and grab a couple of these NASCAR Groms. And with that being said, he's gonna help me unbox them, then we're gonna take them outside, and then we're gonna rip them really quick. Not gonna charge any batteries, so whatever juice is on the battery is what we're gonna use to let them rip and run down the street. So with that being said, let's open them. So I got my steak knife, and he got his. So we got the dog walking around. Hopefully he don't bump into the camera. So let me see. Oh, so it's a sleeve on here. Okay. Push that little handle in. So I was able to grab 3 of these bad boys. So I have the Bass Shop one too, and the Lucas, and the, what was that one? Menards 12. So we got both of those guys. Yeah, I didn't see this part. So yeah, it comes with a little window that you can actually check it out. That's dope. I'm about to bust my wife over the head with some shoulder giggling. Yeah, that's sick. Check it out, guys. We'll show you more in detail when we get outside, we get some more light. But let's go ahead and open it up. Slide it on out of there. We'll show you what comes in the box. Oh, we got another. Here, let's go ahead and pop this zip tie on the side. Yeah, let's cut it. Hell, to open this up. Finally, Lee. All right, so we got a bag of goodies, guys. Got your book. This is an actual booklet and not a QR code. Got batteries and a charger, which is dope. You have more zip ties. So we can get this up out of here. And it's on his head. All right, finally, here we have the Lucas 8 version. And we have the Menards 12 version. So let's just get these guys outside. Let's let them rip. Little tires. Now, how the hell do we get the body off? Oh, they got clips in the front and the back. Let's take these. Maybe the first and last stock run of this car ain't that way. All right, put it back on there.
Rear diffuser on it. That's cool.
Let's go. You guys check your local hobby shops for these. Even though online or Horizon they say that they're still pre-ordering, your local hobby shops may have them in stock already, so you may want to give them a call and check to see if they got them. It's got a foam bumper in the front, got a skid plate as well. It's pretty dope. This is a 12th scale. So it's on the Grom platform, it's just larger. It's longer. So, cut you guys back on when we get outside and see what we can see. Let's get it. We're outside. Let's go ahead and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna rip it down the street here really quick. It's a big ass speed hump. Try not to destroy it. And it's a windy day, but let's make it work. Let's get it. Yeah. Oh, these is gonna be crazy with some speed on them, bro. Oh, that drift is nasty. Alright, skirt. Here come a car. Bow.
Ooh.
Bow.
They got foam bumpers.
Yeah. Here come a car. Yeah. Ooh, that drifting is nice.
That's nice, man.
Should have put some cones out here, man. I got little cones.
Yeah, this car's gonna do nice on 3S, man.
Yeah.
The track's pretty straight. Okay.
All right, Brandon, so do this. From the speed bump, smash it, drift around and come back. Try, see if you can do that. Ah. All right. All right.
No, just a little bit better.
Now I'm probably gonna do the same thing you did. All right, my turn. Ready? Set, go. Shit. I ain't let my foot off the damn gas.
I think once you get on like this type of concrete, you'll do better because this concrete's kind of slick.
Yeah.
They've got it sealed with kind of sealant.
Yeah, these is fun, man. I can definitely tell with a little more power, these is gonna be kind of dangerous. Oh. Yeah.
You wanna try it now?
He come here flying.
Trying to act like he don't want to look over here.
She breaking the neck, girl. Okay, then. Let's go get her.
It's okay. You scared her.
Yeah, man.
Are we the same?
Yeah.
All right.
Let me see. All right, you guys, that's about it. Getting a lot of traffic on the street, but here we have it. Stay tuned for more videos to come. Shout out to my boy Brandon for running the Menards and the Lucas. Yes, sir. More videos to come. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace and blessings. Go on.